In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board in Monday.com using the AI board creation option. To get started, open Monday.com and sign into your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option to create a new board. This is usually easy to find and is the starting point for setting up a fresh workspace for a project, team process, or any kind of tracking system you want to build. After you click Create Board, Monday.com may give you a few different ways to begin. If the AI board creation option is available, choose that option. This can save time because instead of building everything from scratch, you'll let the platform generate a structure based on what you need. It's especially useful if you already know the purpose of the board, but don't want to manually set up every column and group yourself. Next, describe the type of board you want to create. Be clear and specific here because the quality of the suggested setup usually depends on how well you explain your workflow. For example, you might describe a project tracking board, a content calendar, a sales pipeline, or a task management board for your team. The more directly you explain the goal of the board, the more relevant the AI generated structure is likely to be. Once the suggestion appears, take a moment to review the recommended columns, groups, and overall layout. This is an important step because the board may already include useful fields for status updates, due dates, owners, priorities, or other workflow details. Instead of rushing ahead, check whether the structure matches the way you actually work. A quick review now can save you time later and help you avoid reorganizing everything after you've already started using it. From there, customize the board based on your workflow. You can adjust the names of columns, remove anything you don't need, and keep the parts that make sense for your process. The goal is to make the board practical and easy to use, not just visually complete. Think about how your team will interact with it every day and shape it around that real usage. When everything looks right, save the board and begin adding your tasks or data. At this point, your board is ready to use. You can start populating it immediately and turn the AI generated setup into a working system that supports your day-to-day workflow.